Feng Shui begins with something so simple, so intuitive, and so deeply human that you've known it since childhood. Environments shape us. They influence our mood, our behavior, our decisions, our energy, and even our destiny. Your space is not neutral. It is constantly speaking to you, constantly directing energy toward you or away from you. And at the same time, you are shaping the space with your thoughts, your emotions, and your presence. Feng Shui is the art of recognizing that relationship and learning how to work with it consciously. To understand Feng Shui, we go all the way back to its roots in classical Daoist cosmology. Feng Shui literally means wind and water, the two forces that shape landscapes, carve mountains, carry seeds, and sustain life. Wind moves. Water flows. Together, they describe the movement of qi, the life force that animates everything. Feng Shui is the practice of aligning human life with the natural movements of qi, so that energy supports you instead of resisting you. Qi is not symbolic. It is the animating force of the universe. It exists in your breath, your heartbeat, the architecture of your home, the arrangement of your furniture, the direction of the front door, and the flow of light through your space. It moves through pathways, collects in pockets, stagnates in corners, and amplifies in open, bright areas. When qi is balanced, life feels supportive. When it's blocked, life feels heavy. When it's scattered, life feels chaotic. Feng Shui helps you bring the qi of your environment back into harmony so that your life can return to flow. But Feng Shui is not only about the environment. It is about relationship, the relationship between you and the place you inhabit. Classical Feng Shui teaches two essential premises. The first is that your environment influences you. It affects your mood, your productivity, your health, your relationships, your finances, your clarity, and your spiritual growth. The second is that you influence your environment. Every choice you make, every object you bring into your home, every color you choose, every intention you carry into a room shapes the behavior of qi. You are not a passive participant in your space. You are a co-creator with it. To understand how qi behaves, we begin with yin and yang, the first division of energy in the universe. Yin is soft, dark, receptive, quiet, inward, and cooling. Yang is bright, active, expansive, outward, warm, and energizing. Every space has yin qualities and yang qualities. Every person carries yin and yang within them. And the balance of these forces determines whether energy feels harmonious or strained. When yin overwhelms a space, life can feel stagnant or heavy. When yang dominates, life can feel chaotic or overstimulating. Feng Shui is the art of restoring the correct balance for your goals, your nature, and the purpose of each room. A bedroom, for example, should be more yin, restful, soft, grounded. A home office needs more yang, clarity, activation, upward flow. You wouldn't rest in an overly yang bedroom. You wouldn't produce your best work in an overly yin office. You already know this intuitively. Feng Shui simply teaches you to do it with intention and precision. As you begin this journey, I want you to understand one truth above all: Feng Shui is not about decorating. It is not about superstition, good luck charms, or rigid rules. It is about energy literacy, learning to understand how your external world reflects your internal world, and then aligning both to create harmony. Your home is a mirror of your subconscious. Your environment is a physical expression of your mind. Every imbalance in a space has a psychological or energetic counterpart within you. This is why Feng Shui is so powerful. You are adjusting the external to shift the internal, and adjusting the internal to shift the external. The two always move together. Imagine walking into a room after a long day and instantly feeling your body relax, your breath deepen, and your mind settle. Imagine a space that supports your goals automatically, a bedroom that repairs your energy, a workspace that expands your success, a kitchen that nourishes your creativity and health. This is the promise of Feng Shui, a life where your environment works with you instead of against you. Everything we will explore in this course begins with this foundational understanding. Qi is real. Qi responds to you. Qi shapes your life. And you have the power to shape Qi. You are living in a world of energetic architecture, whether you know it or not. Feng Shui simply gives you the blueprint. As we move forward, you'll learn how to read it, how to adjust it, and how to activate your space so that it becomes a living ally, a home that breathes with you, evolves with you, and supports your highest path. You are not here to control your environment. You are here to harmonize with it. And when harmony is restored, everything in your life begins to move easier. This is the beginning of your relationship with Feng Shui, a partnership with energy, intention, and the living intelligence of space. The deeper you go, the more your environment becomes a conscious extension of your own Qi. This is where your transformation begins.